loving it, and rightfully so. He is livid. Listen, Denis Bouanga is going to kill you for 90 plus in that transitional moment.
Vela now floating it in. Callender gets maybe a touch to it.
Making sure Bouanga gets an earful.
Gonzalez unable to get it out.
To get forward.
He'll join up with the U.S. national team after this match. Throw for Bouanga. Bouanga is in. Bouanga! Callender, what a save! He has been in lights out form. To get there first. They're coming again at Callender. This is Vela on his right foot. And again, having the ball, right? I mean, the initial kind of additions of LAFC, they wanted to be all over the ball. This might be an opportunity for Reyes! Against the run of play! Facundo Reyes, out of nothing, opens the scoring for Inter Miami!
You take the sting out of the game. You rotate. You find runners. The most difficult thing about defending a team.
That's given away. Bouanga over Kramaski for Gonzalez. Bouanga continuing his run. Bouanga's in to tie it up for LAFC! And wide! Messi turning, coming forward. Hollingshead slides in, takes it away. As of 39 years old. Here's Carlos Vela. Signature Vela on his left, but right at Callender. Couldn't find that corner that he has so often. Ryan Hollingshead through. Gonzalez! Into the outside of this Gomez. One-on-one with Chiellini. Leaving it Messi! Didn't get enough behind it, and it's easy for John McCarthy. With Lionel Messi and crew. Palencia. Gonzalez rises up. Alba floating it for Diego Gomez. That makes Illier. And Palencia.
But to finish the point, LAFC's still been the better team. But the point is, it's 1-0.
Into Gonzalez. Back to Bogus. Dealt with.
It says something different.
Oh, Messi. The little touch to Busquets. Messi gets it back. Acosta poked it away from us. In our performances, we're able to. Vela is behind. Vela! Deflects into Callender.
You know, part of the unsung heroes at times have been Kamal Miller and Christoph.
Carlos Vela puts this one in. Callender rises up and catches it. Somehow finds Gomez. Back to Messi! Oh, John McCarthy! Massive save to keep it at 1-0.
I mean, just turning LAFC into circles. 4 or 5 players worried about the one guy you have to be worried about. What a layoff.
On Acosta. Mateus Bogus. Back towards Acosta. Jordi Alba intervening.
How good is that from Jordi Alba?
Space. Farias shifting it to his left. McCarthy off his line. The goal open. And Kenny. Christoph gets it away only as far as Chiellini. Back in. Hollingshead. Blocked by Aviles. Out as Busquets. Busquets cutting it back towards Messi. Illier.
Up 1-0. Huh.
Especially how this is gone. Aviles got it wrong. Good sense
with his right foot.
Who will it be? It will be Bogus. It's into the wall. Callender has to scramble back a bit. Sold out crowd here at BMO Stadium in Los Angeles. Bogus. Bouanga. In towards Vela. Christoph. After a really busy beginning of the season. Oh, Messi with a touch away from Chiellini. And then a hop. Kramaski. Yedlin's behind. Yedlin into the side netting.
The spacing, the positions that Kramaski and Farias pick up here, it forces Hollingshead to be a nerve to be had for Inter Miami in the attack. How about that ball from Busquets?
To Messi. Oh, Jordi Alba's in! Jordi Alba for Built in Barcelona. Miami doubles the lead through Jordi Alba.
In the pregame, I talked about Jordi Alba being the X factor for Inter Miami. You're playing three center backs. Why?
Timothy Tillman from distance and over and into the 32-52.
Well, and I find it interesting that Chiellini comes out.
Carlos Vela falls into a dangerous spot.
Oh my goodness.
Leonardo DiCaprio add him to the list. Yedlin into Kramaski. Tillman takes a chance for Farias to maybe put this one to bed. It's a good ball for Gonzalez, and it's just over his head from Bouanga. Bouanga broken up by Yedlin. Bouanga might still get out, and he does! Took it very well, but right at Drake Callender. Farias straight up the gut. Farias might be in! Facundo Farias for three! And wide. Bouanga might be in! Callender again a save! A trio of opportunities for Denis Bouanga tonight. Through Farias, cutting it back off of Palacio, still there. Farias, LAFC might be exposed as Murillo comes forward and gives it away. What a ball towards Alba. McCarthy will collect.
But they've got to get one goal, buddy. They've got to find a way to get a goal.
Might be here, and Vela sends it wide. They've had chances. Is it as simple as finishing the chances that they're creating to get that goal?
Yes. But when you're forcing...
Hollingshead. Vela back to Hollingshead. Hollingshead into the 32-52. Waiting for Messi. Campana. Now over to Messi. Trying to chest it around long.
Here's ball in. Watch out.
Bogusz to the back post. Callender missed it, but a foul goes. Messi coming through. Messi cutting it back. Leaving it. Campana! In this battle of heavyweights, the knockout blow from Leonardo Campana. Miami flying into the Hollywood night. Vela flicked on. The clean sheet, Ryan Hollingshead pulls one back for LAFC. It's 3-1.
And I don't find it a coincidence that it comes